Hi, everyone. I'm joined today by Mr. David Ratti with the Ratti Lending Team at Envoy Mortgage. David, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, Andrew.
Thanks for being here. So Dave's joining us today to talk about some invaluable information regarding the mortgage industry. So those have to do with changes in loan limits, good thing, and what's happening with interest rates right now, which might not be a great thing. So David, what's happening with the loan limits right now?
Yeah, first, the exciting news. The conventional loan limit has been $548,250 for all of 2021. That loan limit is increasing for 2022 to $625,000, which is a dramatic increase.
Substantial.
Yeah. So what that means for a lot of people is the financing is very accessible for mid-priced homes. You know, say 675 and under now is very, very affordable. Small down payments, qualifying, and so forth. It's much more accessible. And even though that's for 2022, a lot of lenders are offering it right now, as we are. So they can actually take advantage of those new loan limits right now.
So I guess the biggest benefit from what I'm hearing you say is with the larger loan limits, conforming loan limits, the interest rates are going to be lower than if you had to go into jumbo money, which you did at this time last year on the higher price points. And then secondly, lower down payments are available with these extended loan limits versus this time last year. Is that correct?
That's absolutely correct. Yes.
Okay. Well, that's great information, everybody. So that's a huge jump in loan limits. So good info. Secondly, David, what's happening with the interest rates right now?
Well, with interest rates, maybe not as exciting, but it's a need to know.
Yep.
Interest rates have been the lowest they've been in the history of planet Earth for about the past year. That party is coming to an end. We have seen a decisive change in interest rates over the past month. They have gone up. Don't let that scare you. They have been at historic lows. They're still really awesome, but it is a trend that is likely to continue. It's driven by inflation. Inflation's not going away. And the market is reacting, and it will continue to react as we go into 2022.
So we knew this was coming, right? So here we are. As you mentioned, the great news is the interest rates have ticked up a little bit. However, they are still extremely low. So I think our advice here today for those of you that are thinking about buying is if you were going to buy this year or next year, now's the time to do it because the trend is looking like the rates are going to continue to increase as we go through 2022. Is that an accurate statement, David?
Absolutely. I mean, for the person that's thinking, hey, I'm going to buy in maybe 6 months, maybe 12 months, they should be doing it now. Before they experience these increases in rates over 2022.
Yep, good information. So those of you who are looking to purchase, if you have any questions regarding the real estate side of it, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is below. If you have any questions with David as far as getting pre-qualified to purchase, maybe seeing what those new conforming limits would look like for you, his contact information is available below. So please reach out to him. We're both happy to help. So David, thanks for joining us today. It was great information. And thank you everybody for joining us. And we look forward to seeing you the next time.